To convert the text of a subtitle file into phonetic notation, using the International Phonetic Alphabet, you can utilize for free this program that I created myself, which phonetically transcribes any SRT-type file of Spanish subtitles to the International Phonetic Alphabet, generating another SRT subtitle file with the transcribed version, which you can use in your multimedia player, if it supports this type of file, to accompany the movie, video or audio that you listen to while reading the subtitles. This can help you distinguish the sounds present in what you listen to by having a visual reference. It is a desktop application that you simply download and run. You don't need to install it or anything. It's not even necessary to connect to the internet to be able to use it. Needless to say that the program can make mistakes or fail, and it may need improvements and corrections. In the description section of the video you can find the link to download the program. It's free, without restriction, although you can always donate. I came up with this program while working on another one that focuses on the automatic creation of phonetic transcriptions for learning pronunciation. I will also link you to it in the description in case you are interested. It is much more advanced with regard to phonetic transcriptions and will help you correctly interpret the ones from this program. So, a phonetic transcription is a text where a system of written representation of the sounds of a language is implemented. It is utilized to visually indicate how words are pronounced regardless of their normal spelling in the language. The Spanish writing system is quite good, but not as good as phonetic transcriptions, especially if you still don't know how Spanish spelling works, since they can help you correctly interpret the normal writing of the Spanish language. Thus, with phonetic transcriptions it will be much easier for you to achieve your goal of pronouncing correctly. Anyway, the International Phonetic Alphabet is the most used standard symbology for representing pronunciations of languages, as it is based on the sounds of human speech. So if you already know how the International Phonetic Alphabet works, you'll be able to interpret the phonetic transcriptions. If not, I recommend that you research it and learn to read it. It can be a bit intimidating, but it's worth understanding its use. It is worth mentioning that the pronunciations from the audio that you listen to may not always match what is displayed in the phonetic subtitles, since obviously each person can pronounce things differently depending on dialect, emphasis, etc. But as for the phonetic transcriptions of the resulting subtitle file, they use the standard pronunciation of the Spanish language, or at least that is the intention. The SRT format is a file type commonly utilized to store movie subtitles. Several video players can load these files and display the subtitles along with the video. To take advantage of the use of subtitles as part of your Spanish language learning, you should ensure that the subtitles match what is said in the audio, video, or movie, and that they are well synchronized. On this occasion I'm using version 0.5 of the program, which is the most recent at the time of making this video. When you open it, you'll see this button. Click it to select your SRT file of Spanish subtitles, then press the other button and that's it. There is not much to say about this program. It's pretty simple. Anyway, I hope you find it useful. The link to download it is in the description.